What's up, everybody? My name is Eric Bland. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Craftsman 3300 PSI. So we're going to go ahead and do a out-of-the-box review. So you're going to help me open it. All right. Okay, so that's what you get to see when you open up the box. That's got to be the little thing that the extra line goes on. All right, so a couple essentials. It's got your paperwork in there. Got your piece so you can put your pressure washer pieces in there. Got to go on the handle. Got a handle here. Alrighty then. Oil. Let's not forget to put the oil in there before you start the power washer itself. Power washing 40-foot hose. Oh, the nice one. It's that commercial grade. It's nice, very nice. It's gonna all just stand up there. All right. Some more paperwork. It does come with this fancy dandy handle, which is nice. So this will be able to go from straight to bowed out there, which will be nice. I should have did this on the other table over there so nothing would have fell. All right, let's see what else you get. You get your handle. It's a pretty good standard handle. It's got good gripping on it. Got the safety red there. Very nice. I just put a tennis ball in between there. This is what I do. Take our tennis ball, I stick it right in between there, so when I'm power washing, I'm not constantly have to hold it down. Put a tennis ball in there. I got a bucket full of those. All right, so there we go. We got that bad boy. And then got the wand. It goes on here. That was just a blue cap that went over this to protect it. There we go. And that bag down there also came the white, the red, and the soap tip, along with other ones. All right, so now this is where we pull this bad boy out. Okay, so before you do that, take out the inserts. All right, let's try this again. This was on sale. I believe it was on sale for $500, $600, I think, or something. I can't remember. Lowe's, at Lowe's, something like that. All right. Let's sit on this box here. All right, so we're gonna need some pieces to put on this handle. Easy enough. I'm sure this just pops on here. Couple bolts. Let's see. Instructions. You should always follow instructions. in my case, but wow, these tips are, the soap tip and the other spray tip for second stories are plastic. I got metal ones. I don't think those would be too good. All right, you probably take these black things here and you push these in here. I'm assuming that's where those go. Yep. And I am missing a nozzle. Unless I'm missing a soap tip. A soaker tip, my black one. It doesn't have a soap tip on there, I suppose. Unless they're thinking that this pink one is a soap tip. I don't know. Alright. It comes with these little pieces in here. Twist that out. Just looking to make sure I put those on the right way. I bought this power washer because my other power washer went. This one here, the pump went on it. Briggs & Stratton motor just starts right up, no problem. But the pump I was having problems with the pump. I did some more research about it, tried to make sure everything was all set to go. Everything was all set to go on it, and it was the pump. All right. So now this little gizmo here goes like this, and that's where the hose goes, but we need to put the oil in. Now, the oil, we'll read up on the oil. I'm not sure exactly how much oil we need to put in. For those of you out there that don't know this, let me move this back here a little bit. Let's put it up here. Probably see it a lot better. All right, that's where I probably should have put it in the beginning. This is the gas cap. Everybody does it, oh yeah, that's the gas cap, Bert. All right, just wanted to let you know because I seen one guy put his oil in here and messed it up on the very first go, which I was cracking up. Oil goes on this side. Over here, there's an oil cap. If you take it off, it will look like this. And it will say oil on it. All right? Full's up here. So let's make sure that's full. Take a towel. And how I like to do it is, where is that piece? I can't find it, but we'll just pour it in there. You guys can see. than the top of here. You can use a funnel if you choose. If you don't put this in there, your power washer will not start. There's a lever on these, especially being new. If you don't have enough oil in there, it will not start. What I like to do is just clean up around the edge there. Make sure got all that in there. Go ahead and lightly put that cap on because it is plastic, and just check the oil. Looks like it's full there. Hand tighten it. Don't crunch it down, just needs to be hand tightened. All right. Then what I do, put this on. Now this is ready for the garbage. All right. I'm gonna take this off. The handle has this little spot right here so it can go in. All right. And then these ones you untie like so. We'll snip those bad boys off there. That's my cat that you're hearing meowing. All right, let me just get a pair of scissors real quick. So I didn't need any tools, crazy tools to put anything on. It's pretty self-explanatory. I put everything on by hand. This little guy here can go right in here, like so. I will not keep that on there. I have a roll on my truck, so that way. I'm going to take this front cover out here. We'll open up the garage. This doesn't have a spot, I suppose, does it? Maybe right here. Maybe not. That's negative. Is there not a spot for this? I don't know. It's probably not where that goes. Whoopsies. If I read the directions, maybe I'll see what goes there. All right, next thing to do is go ahead and put some gas in it, and then put the water inside, or bring your hose over, and we can go ahead and get this thing started. Right out of the box, super simple and easy to put together, making sure that all of this here is on. I'm gonna keep my tag, and what I like to do is on everything that I buy brand new, I take a picture of all the VIN numbers on it, and then that way I'll have that in a storage on my phone, and then I'll back that up through my iCloud, so then that way, if this was ever taken or stolen, I can match those numbers up with the ones I have. So there you go. Craftsman 3300 maximum PSI out of the box review. Super simple and easy, everything to go ahead and put on. It's fantastic. So here we go. Love yous.